Hey guys, it's Andrew Keem from KeemOnTheMarket.com. This is your S&P 500 daily video recap for February 15, 2012. As I talked about, we are starting to see a little bit of resistance up here on this 1350 level. We did break through the high in the Globex session up to 1358, but it was selling pressure all day. We saw Apple go parabolic today up to 326, closed at 498. That's down $28. We also saw the VIX with expiration. We have February options expiration on Friday, and usually the Monday after options expiration, we see a little bit of a panic because a lot of the protection goes away. We also saw that today. Once the VIX expired this morning on the opening print, a lot of the protection that the big funds have went away. So we saw a little bit of a sell-off today. But let's go to the daily chart first. And we saw this. We talked about we're getting a little bit of a pullback here on this 1350 level. This is at the end of December, and we talked about this, guys. If you listen to KeemOnTheMarket.com and these videos, we usually have a pullback into President's Day. At Alex KOTM has flagged this for us. So we're seeing a little bit of a pullback here. Still, over the course of the last 7 days, a lot of neutral paper. Nothing very bullish or bearish, but we can break at any point. We extended our range a little bit, about 30 points over the course of the last 8 days. Let's go to the 5-minute chart. We opened up this morning, and 2 days in a row, we talked about 80% of the high, 80% of the times we see the high or the low within the first hour of the trading day. The last 2 days, we have not seen it, and today we did not get to see it as well. So for the first, basically, I want to say to about right here, so about to 11:30, I think it was. To about 11:30, we had the high at 1353.75 and the low at 1347.5. So very, very tight range to 11:30. Apple broke, the market broke hard. So the market broke hard. Look at all these bearish bars. This is the 5-minute chart I use. We had the pivot point up here from yesterday. This is, a little bit of selling pressure here. I did not play this at all because of this tight range. The breakout of the cloud was the sell right here. We broke out through the cloud. If you want to sell the cloud, you sell the cloud right here. Your stop is above the cloud. And that would have kept you in for the rest of the day. The cloud trades are very, very good. I trade them a lot. So the breakout of the cloud right here, you sell on the close right here. You would have sold 1344. You never would have got stopped out because your stop would have been above here. So you're risking about 5 points, and it would have had you in for about 6 points. So we took out the floor support 2 is where we bounced from. I talked about this many times. 1342, 1343, 1333, 1332. So what am I looking at tomorrow? We have the red line, which is the floor pivot. We now have the low from today at 1338 and the blue line, which is the point of control. If you want all the key levels for tomorrow, you have to go to KeemOnTheMarket.com. We provide them all for you. Support, resistance, Fibonacci levels. This is how we trade, and we make money trading the futures. If you have any comments or questions about the video, please email me, Andrew@KeemOnTheMarket.com, and I will respond within 24 hours. This is your daily recap for the S&P 500 futures for February, today's date, 15th, 2012. Have a great night.